Hi, this is Jenny from Jenny's Crayon Collection. Do you have a stain in your carpet? My daughter left a marker. This is almost done, but today I'm going to show you how to turn this into this, looking so much better. First, before we begin, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, and if you like this video, please hit the like, and if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. And hopefully this really helps you and you don't have as much marker stain as we did. This rug had been covering up a little spot in my daughter's room. And this was brand new carpet. See, the problem is you can see it's in the carpet. I'm gonna try to go through and show you guys how to take this out of carpet. Hopefully it'll come out and it'll be looking as good as new. For permanent marker, you would use the same method that I'm gonna show you. This was water soluble, so permanent marker, you would spray it with hairspray. That will help it get out of the carpet. Never apply heat when you're trying to get it out, because heat will only set it in. You can see where the marker was in the center. She left it with the lid off. So I'm gonna try Dreft, because Dreft is really good about taking things out of clothes. So I'm just gonna spray the spot. Okay, pat it out a little bit. And I'm gonna scrub again. Slurp it out. Oh, there we go. We got some good stuff coming there. Look at how much. Oh, here we go. It's like cleaning a makeup brush. It's just a matter of actually getting the ink out. Dreft is acting as a binder, and this helps the ink form into a bubble. And the bubbles can just be set on here. So if I set them on the carpet, then the ink will actually go into the carpet. So you want to keep it confined to where you're doing it, like where the mess is. Like a blue cloud is actually kind of pretty if it wasn't in my new carpet. You can see inside, it looks a lot better than it did. Using the hot water to take all this blue out. And then I'll just keep doing this process until it looks satisfactory. Our spot was like this big when we started, and now it's mostly concentrated in this area. If I just scrub it a little bit, you can still see bubbles in there. That means there's still stuff in there. So now I'm just gonna kind of scrub it. Let it dry for a little bit. So unfortunately, we still have somewhat of a stain. It's been a couple days. It's not nearly as bad as it was, and it's concentrated to this area. I tried just using a rag at first, but I decided to go with a cleaner because one of the things is she left the whole marker in there, so it was really deep and there was a ton of stuff, so I needed a way to pull it out. And this Bissell vacuum, whatever, you can use any of them. But it has a little chamber down here, and it has a little brush to kind of brush it out. And this is where it pulls in the water, so I can actually put water on this. So here's the chamber where you put the cleaner in. You could also just put in water to spray, since it's water soluble marker. If it's a permanent marker, then you could put in the cleaner and keep just cleaning it. Maybe switch off with cleaner and water just to kind of make sure that you're getting the cleaner out, because you don't want the cleaner to stay in your carpet either. It says, for maximum suction performance, tilt unit upward, press nozzle firmly with cleaning surface. She said just to turn it on. Let's try it. We spray a little bit first, she said. Okay. I'm also gonna just blot it out, actually, to get some of that water. Then I'm gonna turn the fan on in the room. And you can still see a little there, so I'm going to keep going over that spot. But most of this, you can see the carpet fibers down here. It's just this one spot, so I'm going to just keep going over this spot until it's done. And most of this is now clean, which I'm so excited for because that was not fun. Pet eraser is charging right now, and as soon as it's done, I will come back and get the rest of this, and we will have our carpet looking like new again. I'm so excited. Yay! This is how much ink was in there. This is why I'm glad I got something to do it, because that's just a ton of ink. So in conclusion, to get marker out of your carpet, first you can try a rag with just a cleaner method. And if that doesn't work, pull out the Bissell or whatever it is, a carpet cleaner. If the stain is really big, you're probably gonna have to use a carpet cleaner. If it's small, dab, and spray and dab will work just fine. I hope you guys have the best of luck getting marker out of your carpet, whether it's washable or permanent. And please let me know in the comments if these methods work for you, and I really hope they do. All right, have a good one, and we'll talk to you soon.